Welcome to Shivakumar classes. Today the topic which we are going to discuss here it is admission of a partner. For example, Mr. A is a partner. Mr. B he is a partner. These two persons are joined together doing the business. They need the support of the another person called as Mr. C. So they are appointing a new partner Mr. C into an existing business is called as admission of a partner. Why they want to appoint a partner? Reason. There may be lot many reason. Maybe insufficient capital. So that another person will bring the additional capital. Or else they want the help of the another person for managerial ability. Or maybe for the purpose of goodwill. This person name will be very reputed name in the society, so that they will call this person into their business. Because of this person the business may increase. Maybe one or the another reasons. Straightly coming to the subject relating to this chapter is that ratios to be calculated. One, it is the sacrifice ratio, that is sacrifice ratio. Another one is the new ratio. What is the sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio, one simple meaning, surrender. Who surrenders? Old partner surrenders. The old partner surrenders a portion of their profit. A portion of their profit. It is called as sacrifice ratio. Let me give with one example. You see, Mr. A is a partner. His profit is 5. Mr. B is a partner and his profit is 4. Now, they want to support of the another person. So therefore, from A, some portion of the profit will be surrendered to the new partner. From B, some portion of the profit will be surrendered to new partner. Therefore, definitely their profit sharing ratio gets changes, you see. Now, first it was 5 and 4. Now it has come 4:3:2. So this is called as the sacrifice. This sacrifice has been changed in what is the ratio? That is called as the sacrifice ratio. So anyhow, Mr. A is losing some surrender, some value, that is called as surrender. Mr. B is surrendering something or losing something, that is called as the sacrifice. This we are converting in terms of the ratio. Okay, that is called as the sacrifice ratio. Now the formula for sacrifice ratio is equals old ratio minus new ratio. In the same manner, another formula we have new ratio. New ratio is equals old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. That's it. Remember, old ratio will be always constant. From the old ratio minus new ratio you get sacrifice, and from the new old ratio if you minus sacrifice you get the new ratio. And some persons will call it as the sacrifice ratio will be called as the SS, share surrender, and the final conclusion will be shown as the sacrifice ratio. While working out of the problem, I'll work it out with both SS and Yes, sir. Let us enter into the problem number 1. This question has been asked in 2011 Karnataka PU, that is for class 12. Uma and Suma are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio or in the proportion of 3:2. That is their old ratio respectively. They agreed to admit Rashmi as a new partner. Rashmi is the new partner. In future, profits and losses are to be between all the partners in the proportion of 8:7:5. This is new ratio. This is old ratio. They are asking us to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Come on, old ratio. 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. New ratio. 8:7:5. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 8 by 20, 7 by 20, 5 by 20. They are asking us to calculate sacrifice ratio. Yes. What is the formula for sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is equals. I'll write it as share sacrifice. I'll write it as share sacrifice. At last the answer what I going to get? That will be called as the sacrifice ratio. Share sacrifice is equals old ratio minus new ratio. First this is for Uma and next it is for Suma. Again share sacrifice it is equals old ratio minus new ratio. So for the first person you can see that old ratio and new ratio. 3 by 5 minus 8 by 20. And for second person you can see that 2 by 5 minus 7 by 20. Now we have to take the LCM. What is my LCM? The LCM I should take it for 5 and 20. For 5 and 20 common number is 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. Therefore 5 into 1 into 4 is equals 20. My LCM is 20. Now what I should do, that LCM I am writing it is into denominator. So after taking LCM, multiply this 20 with 3 and multiply this 20 with 8. That is the concept. First let us see for the first one. 20 into 3 is equal 60. This 60 divided by 5, denominator 5, you get 12. Symbol minus 20 into 8. 20 into 8 is equals 160. Divided by 20, I get 8. So 12 minus 8, I get 4. 4 divided by 20. This is share sacrifice. 4 divided by 20, share sacrifice. Next coming to another one. 2 into 20. 20 into 2 is equals 40. 40 divided by this 5, I get 8. Symbol is minus. Again you should multiply this. 20 into 7, you get 140. This 140 divided by 20 is equals 7. 7. 8 minus 7 is equals 1 divided by 20. This is called as share sacrificed. But they asked us to calculate what? Sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equals 4:1. This 4 and this 1. 4:1. This is called as sacrifice ratio. In terms of ratio, 4:1. Share sacrificed is 4 by 20 and 1 by 20. This is problem number 1. And working out of the second problem, it will be entirely different. Now, this question has been asked in March 2008 in Karnataka PU board. That is for class 12. Yes, Vidya and Vani were partners. sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. This is called as the old ratio of old partners. They admit Vijaya as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio is agreed to be 4:3:2. This is new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. Come on, write the given information. Old ratio 3:2, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. New profit sharing ratio 4:3:2, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9. They are asking us to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Now, as per the given information, share sacrifice is equals old ratio minus new ratio. This is for whom? Vidya. Next one is for Vani. Share sacrifice is equals old ratio minus new ratio. Come on. What is the old? What is this first information? 3 by 5 minus 4 by 9. And for second person, 2 by 5 minus 3 by 9. You see this, for 5 and 9 there is no common numbers for LCM. So under that situation, we will go for cross multiplication method. First one, 5 and 9. Multiply that. 5 9s are 45. Second one, you should come from 3 9s are 27. And third one it is 5 4s are 20. Symbol is minus. 27 minus 20, I get 7 by 45. And second one, 5 9s are 45. 2 9s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 18 minus 15 is equals 3 divided by 45. It is called as the share sacrifice. But they asked us to calculate what? Sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equals 7:3. That's it about this problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. In case of any queries, clarify through the comment box. And those who are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for the further notifications. Thank you very much.